Hello, I'm Philip Smith, Police Chief for the Lakewood Police Department. We are proud to introduce to you our new Drone as a First Responder program. While this technology is still in the testing phase, it's already showing great promise towards the goal of augmenting our already efficient Lakewood police response to service calls. This is another tool to be considered value-added in our quest to deliver the most professional and prompt service possible to our citizens here in Lakewood, Colorado. Thank you for your time.
Hello, I'm TJ Jacobson, Sergeant of the Real-Time Crime Center and Technology Unit for the Lakewood Police Department. I'm here today to introduce you to our newest tool in the fight against crime, our Drone as First Responder, or DFR program. As LPD prepares to fully roll out this program, let's look at some of the most commonly asked questions about drones and law enforcement. Our drones can serve as a true first responder. When we receive a citizen-generated call for service, the drone will often arrive before or in conjunction with our agents on the ground, providing an early assessment of the scene. This provides our agents with real-time situational updates before they arrive on scene. While on a call, the drone will provide continuous coverage within the city to support law enforcement. This keeps our agents safer while also providing an eye in the sky to assist in the apprehension of criminals. That eye can also support in de-escalation efforts by our agents. The drones have a wide variety of uses, such as assisting with large city events, including crowd and traffic monitoring or perimeter control as needed. The drone can also assist in locating suspects, searching for signs of a fire, and searching for missing people. Our drones cannot and will not be used for general surveillance of individuals or groups without a specific authorized purpose, such as a 911 call. This targeted approach helps us ensure that the drones are used solely for enhancing emergency response, not for routine monitoring. Additionally, drones may be used for only official governmental purposes, not for personal, entertainment, or non-law enforcement purposes. Privately owned drones may not be used for any LPD mission. Only department-owned drones are authorized for use. All drones must be operated in a safe manner and within all FAA regulations. Only pilots with a valid FAA Part 107 certification are permitted to operate drones on behalf of the department. All LPD drones are required to record video when in use. All drone as first responder missions must be recorded using designated software systems. These videos may be requested as a public information request. Our Drones as First Responders program is already showing fantastic results. During our 3-month pilot program, the drone responded to 640 total calls. Of those calls, 248 were able to be cleared without needing a patrol agent response. This is freeing up our patrol agents to attend to more emergent calls for service, faster and more efficiently. 77% of the time, the drone was able to be on scene before agents, providing safety, security, and tactical advantages. The drone played a direct role in over 60 assisted arrests. Most often, this means the drone was able to locate a suspect and relay to our agents on the ground as to their exact whereabouts. This program will provide comprehensive coverage throughout Lakewood, significantly benefiting both our residents and first responders. By improving the speed and effectiveness of police operations in real time, we can enhance public safety and better serve our community. With the implementation of this Drone as First Responder program, Lakewood joins a growing list of communities across the nation that are embracing drone technology to modernize public safety and build stronger connections between law enforcement and the people they serve. We are committed to using this technology responsibly and transparently to make Lakewood an even safer place to live, work, and visit.